Creating a functional and stylish kitchen in a limited area may seem challenging, but with the right small kitchen designs and clever planning, you can turn even the tiniest space into a dream cooking zone. From modern small kitchen designs to smart small kitchen ideas, there are endless ways to make the most of what you have. Begin with a smart small kitchen layout that focuses on kitchen space optimization. Use vertical storage to free up floor space and consider multifunctional furniture in your compact kitchen design. Minimalism plays a big role. Minimalist kitchen styles reduce clutter and create a clean look that enhances openness. When planning small kitchen projects, keep kitchen storage ideas in mind. Wall-mounted shelves, pull-out drawers, and magnetic spice racks are great for space saving. Use light colors and reflective surfaces for your small kitchen decoration to make the area feel brighter and more open. Small kitchen design tips include integrating appliances, using under-cabinet lighting, and maximizing corners. Whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, stylish small kitchens can be achieved with creativity and planning. Let these inspiring home decoration and kitchen renovation ideas help you unlock your kitchen's full potential with a smart kitchen design **** approach that prioritizes beauty and function. Like what you see? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips on home and kitchen transformations.